Planning a move in New Orleans, Louisiana? Whether you're moving locally or coming from out of state, a smooth move requires careful planning. In this video, we'll cover moving costs, scheduling, choosing movers, packing tips, and ways to make your move efficient and stress-free. Local moves in New Orleans generally range from $1,100 to $1,200 for a standard two-bedroom home. Hourly rates for two-person crews usually fall between $95 and $125 per hour, depending on the job size and labor needed. Factors like building access, staircases, and number of belongings can affect your final cost. Staircases, elevators, and narrow hallways can increase time and labor costs. More movers can speed up the job but also raise hourly costs. Peak moving times like weekends or busy months may increase price and reduce availability. Always hire licensed and insured movers to protect your belongings. Ask about background checks for moving crews to ensure professionalism. Get a written estimate that clearly states which services are included, such as packing, transport, and unloading. Start with a full inventory of your items, including furniture and boxes. Decide which items to keep, donate, or sell. Fewer items lower costs. Clear pathways to make it easier for movers to navigate stairs and doorways. Declutter before your move to reduce costs and packing time. Pack lightweight or non-fragile items yourself to save on labor. Book moves during off-peak times, like weekdays or less busy months, for better rates. Like, subscribe, and comment below if you have questions or tips about your upcoming move.